Today is August 27th, 2021, and those are the cicadas. They're just really loud today. Can you hear them? My web page is on Twitter. I put all the evidence on Twitter. The page name is Gay People Matter. You shouldn't make anybody not matter. I don't care if you're gay or straight, whatever it is you are, everybody matters. The law is for everybody. The flag is for everyone. It doesn't matter who you are. This is the United States of America. We are not a third world country. I don't care where you are, a small town, a big town, north, south, east, or west. I don't care. The law matters. Have a good day.